the distance with your head down. It's hard to move forward when you always face the ground. Don't be afraid of letting loose. You have another life to choose. It's all up to you. You can see the finish line in front of you, so close yet you always struggle to pull through. The sky is not gray, it's still blue. It's all about your point of view. You can be who you want to be. Follow what your heart says. Fly on to the unknown. Grab on and don't let go. You know you're almost there. Stay strong, you gotta move along. Face up, don't have to cover up. Just try it one more time. You know you're almost there. You're almost there. You struggle to keep up with everybody, but that doesn't mean you are a nobody. Don't be afraid to fall behind. You never know what you may find. It's all up to you. It's almost in your reach. You can almost touch it. You just have to take the leap. The sky is not gray, it's still blue. It's all about your point of view. You can be who you want to be. Follow what your heart says. Fly on to the unknown. Grab on and don't let go. You know you're almost there. Stay strong, you gotta move along. Face up, don't have to cover up. Just try it one more time. You know you're almost there.
say, baby, you're my number one FYP. You chat with other people, but you notice me. I wish we could be more. Why don't you look my way? Hey, I think it is love, cause I love your profile. You make it talk that I feel so well. I'm having a feeling cause you're so hot. Listen to my DMs, I like it, oh well. Make it talk that, is it too much to ask? A simple click. Feeling really anxious, I refresh the page. Still no new notifications. Still no one in your life. Baby, you're my number one FYP. Share with other people, but don't notice me. I wish we could be more. Why don't you look my way? Hey, I think it is love, cause I love your profile. You make it talk that I feel so well. I'm having a feeling cause you're so hot. Listen to my DMs, I like it, oh well. Make it talk that. Then one day I think that all my prayers finally were heard. Sadly now I find a better TikTok guy. I think it is love cause I love your profile. You make it talk that I feel so well. I'm having a feeling cause you're so hot. Listen to my DMs, I like it, oh well. Make it talk that,
you want, yeah.